Discuss on about Asia between A group and B group in the evening assembly of Mahogla classes. As you know that in the evening assembly of Mahogla classes, we would like to start and create so many questions on about Asia, and that gives you a lot of glorious ideas and notions on of you right now. And in this between, we would like to just give you so many clarification on every bit of the Asia, and we would like to start some things just like MCQ question, multiple choice question on about Asia, and that you to be glorious and you to be joy when this debate competitions on about Asia would be started at this time. I know that we would like to start this class with beautiful thought of the day, justice, and which has been represented by APJ Abdul Kalam. As you know that Mahogla classes is the practices that always time we would like to start our thought with APJ Abdul Kalam. So it's time to we would like to start the good and marvelous thought of APJ Abdul Kalam. Right now, we would like to explain that success is no accident. It had hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, scientifics, and most of all, love what you are doing or learning to do right now. As you know that success is not an accident that you make have to success, and you have to do deeply for your success. Even if sometimes you don't be success here, why that you don't be expected to? Why do we use so many perseverance and dedication in our life? And without dedication, I expected that you don't be successful in their life and in his life and her life. And so, APJ Abdul Kalam's success is not accident, it is hard work. When you hard work, that got you success. That one example, APJ Abdul Kalam. Other example, Albert Einstein. Other example, Thomas Alva Edison. Just are there are greatly scientists in the world, and that they research so many ideas. And perseverance. If you perseverance means dedication. Perseverance means dedication. And when you don't be to dedication, you can't be do any work of your life. Your learning process is the major part of your life, and when you from morning to evening, that you go from any direction in your life, that you have to listen, that you have to watch, that you have to learning any process. That I am standing in Mahogla classes, and you sit in front of me, and that you will learn. With Abhishek sir. Abhishek sir has given so many ideas and notions in evening assembly of Mahogla classes. Okay, and studying. When you are studying, that means you learning also, and that is more important of it. And scientific, and most of all, and love what you are doing or learning to do. Then that means that what you are learning, what you are doing, love that. That I am teaching, that this is my profession, and this is my profession that we are learning, and without learning we can't do in your life, in our life. So I actually do say something everyone right now. So learn that, make a perseverance, make a dedication, make a devotion, and that's the great opportunity that upcoming the future will be very greatness and marvelous of your life. Okay, so in this around this assembly of Mahogla classes, we would like to discuss, as you know that expected to Mahogla classes on about Asia, and on the group discussion on about Asia between group A and group B. As you know that captain of group A, Khushbu Singh, and captain of group B, Himanshu Singh, and with assistant vice captain of this group A teams, Ayushi Soni, and vice captain of Himanshu with assistants justly Ankit Yadav. So that's let's beautiful, marvelous and glorious start right now. So welcome to now I welcome to Khushbu Singh on the stage right now. Now next I welcome to Himanshu Giri. Please come to this podium right now. Wow. Both you stand on the position, and I would like to ask you that some of the major questions with you, that would you expected to give my answer, question and answer right now? Would you expected what if I went to ask you so many questions, that you expected to give my answers? Yeah. What do you feel that you have to select that you You have to be selected captain of B group B as a captain. And what would you like to tell about your teamwork, and what would you like to tell about your vice captain, Mr. Ankit Yadav? Would you deserve that person's with helping you to so many chances that you have gained in your life?
Yeah, first of all, I say that I am very hopeless in this time, and I am proud to me because I am selected to the captain as a group B today debate, and I have some ideas to my team. I am not prepared about Asia, but I can deserve to my team as to it.
Another questions with you. What would like to expect your teamwork, and what would like to expect your balanced team when you selected just after selections your team that you would be expected to win over against group A team? When you expected?
First of all, I expect to the better leads
Okay.
to opposite team.
Thank you very much. And I would like to ask somebody one question with you that you as elected as captain of A teams, and as that Khushbu Kumari, what would you like to tell us about your teamwork, and do you have any suggestion and explanation about your team when you would you to be expected to first positions, and would you to expected to win over against group A team, B Himanshu against what do you to expect right now? Tell.
I am feeling always great team. We have a great squad here. Let us stay focused him to support each other and play with patience. We can win this together. Let's go.
Very good, marvelous standings, positions, around clapping everyone. Just in this process, captain of B teams Himanshu Kumar and captain of A teams Khushbu Singh, you have a chance to select your teams. Team that which teams would you to prefer in your life. So thank you very much for your, and God bless you. Wish you all the best. And upcoming your timing would be the expected in favor of you, and everything would be in your favor. Thank you very much right now.
हो गया।